This review isn't going to be very long. This is just a short, small, couple figures unboxing. We have the JURASSIC. The Dilophosaurus, and the Spinosaurus. These are all from Jurassic World's basic line. Let's get them cut open. All right. That's the Spino. Now, I'm not sure how well y'all can see that. You have the tail and the. So there's our Spinosaurus, and he looks pretty decent. As far as articulation goes, you have both arms move that far. The legs move back. And then the ankle spins all the way. The tail goes side to side and up and down. Now, as far as height, the Spinosaurus, if we can get him to stand, is about, pulling a dinosaur from one of our other reviews, the Baryonyx. No, not a Baryonyx, Ceratosuchops. And you can see they stand about the same height. Spinosaurus is a little taller. Now, these basic figures don't really have that much detail in them, as to be expected. Here's one that I've already opened. The Cavanosaurus, I think it was called. The Spinosaurus, as you can see, stands taller, which is about right. Now, the next one we're going to do is a Triceratops. I believe this was in Jurassic World Dominion. Now, if you want to find these, they are online. I got them from Burlington for $3 a piece. That's the box. And that's your Triceratops. This is obviously the white one. There are 3 others. I'll go ahead and free them. And as all the other ones, spin the feet inwards. I like how the hands go inwards on this one, and it has that extra dew claw. Free the tail. I believe on the raptors it goes On this one, the articulation is about the same as the other two. The hands go that far and that far. The tail as far as a height comparison for this, obviously you can see it is much shorter than the other two. All right, on to the final. Now we have the Dilophosaurus. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box. That works. You don't have to fix the legs on this one, they're already good. The tail is a little odd, though. That is a long tail. Go ahead and take out the fins. As y'all can see, it is about the same coloring as the actual Dilophosaurus from the movie. I like that these flare out properly. The articulation is the same as the others besides the fins. In terms of height, he is quite small. And not just the height, the actual body size is very small as well. And let's bring in the Ceratosuchops again for these heights. As you can see, it is about the same size as the Atrociraptor. And the Dilophosaurus towers over the Ceratosuchops. In terms of just a couple of generic dinos, we have a few from Kid Galaxy, I believe it was called. I'm going to move the Cavanotaurus. I just butchered that name. Here is the Kid Galaxy Dilophosaurus compared to the Jurassic Park Dilophosaurus. Get a little dim in here. And as you can see, even the Kid Galaxy one went off Jurassic Park and put the flares. Then you have the Dimetrodon, I believe, by Kid Galaxy. And it's got a really pretty green to it. Here's the Tyrannosaurus. And the Carnotaurus. I do have a Tyrannosaurus on the way though for Jurassic Park. In terms of the Spinosaurus, here is Kids Galaxy's version versus the Jurassic Park one. I actually do really like the colors they went on this one. Then you have the Allosaurus, the Raptor, and this one, Eucloptosaur, I believe is what it was called. I believe that is all for this review. So again, we had the Spinosaurus, the Troceraptor, and the Dilophosaurus. I'll be back again this weekend with another review, so y'all stay tuned.